For this video, I'm going to teach you how to link all of your pages in your navigation menu on WordPress. So what you need to do first is to obviously create your pages if you haven't already done that. So from the left side part of your screen on your dashboard, just locate pages and click add new page. And I'm going to create this page just as an example. So I'm going to name it as or title it as sample page. So I'm going to now the content. So I'm going to click this add or plus icon right here and add an image. So I'm going to upload it, or I'm going to select from my media library. So you can also do that if you want to add an image to your page, and then if you're already satisfied with what you have. So this is just an example or sample page. So you can basically add anything in here. So I'm going to publish it. So after publishing your menu, you can exit out of here and just go back to your dashboard. And from your dashboard right here, you can go to the menus, which you can access under appearance. So just locate appearance on the left side part again of your screen. And then from these options, you can just go ahead and find menus. So now on this section, this is where you can create your navigation menu. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can create a navigation menu. So on this section, you should be able to see create a new menu. So just click onto that. And I'm going to name it also as sample menu. There you go, and create menu. So now, as you can see, there's nothing on the menu structure yet. So this is where you can add all of your items for your menu structure. So you can add pages, posts, custom links, and even categories. And for this tutorial or for this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add your pages. So this is all of the pages that I have created prior to this tutorial. And this is the sample page that we have created earlier. So I'm just going to check that one and add that to my menu. But you can also opt to add posts if you don't want to add pages to your menu. So I also have here about contact services and even home. Now, if you already have all of your items in your menu structure, you can edit the navigation level on this section right here. So this is the sample text or the displayed text that will appear on your website. So you can just edit this. I'm going to name it as navigation. So I'm going to navigation. Here we go as an example. Now, what you need to do is go to this section right here. So this is where you can decide where you want to put this menu. So you can use it as your primary menu, your secondary menu, your off canvas menu, login account menu, and even your footer menu. But I'm just going to use it as my primary menu. Check it and then hit the save menu. So now once I go onto my website or just refresh it, then the navigation menu will appear on the upper part of my website. And once I click onto that, it will lead me to the sample page that I've created earlier. And so that's it. That is how you can link your pages in your navigation menu on WordPress. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.